Okay. They're not dirty jokes. Okay. Shoot.
Okay, GJ.
The pound.
Yep. But
Okay.
let me do 1 minute of regurgitating my knowledge that you gave me, and then you come in and
Do it.
fix it.
What time frame?
5 minutes.
Okay. Let's do it. Tell me what you tell me what you see.
Okay. So under the triple bottoms, there's a buying bar, and that's my support. If you draw a line for the support down there,
Mm-hmm.
please.
Okay.
Can you
Where
draw a
support?
line?
Where?
See the buying bars? See the swing low? See the triple bottoms? Yeah,
Here.
but there's a buying bar from, yeah. So not that one, the
Hold on.
buying bar.
Hold on.
Okay, do two. Yeah.
Okay.
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 Okay, so when I saw this, and then do the resistance at the selling bar at 430 there. See the selling bar to the left there?
Yes.
Can you draw the resistance
Here.
at that no, no, not the one to the left. No, no, that to the left more. Yep, that's selling bar, yeah. So
Okay.
right
Good.
across there.
I like that. Good. Okay.
So right across there, that's resistance.
Okay.
So at the time, I only had the up thrust in the middle because this is happening now.
Mm-hmm.
But when it came down, I can you increase it, like enlarge it just a little bit so you can see the bars better? Yep, perfect. So it came down to the first support, and look at the shortening of a downward thrust. I took that by,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see the one?
Mm-hmm.
Can you go to it?
Which part? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I lost you. Which
Um,
part?
see the first shortening of the downward thrust there on support. No, 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 not the one. The next one to the right, to the right, because it retested. Yeah. Can you
Mm-hmm.
draw a line in the middle of that selling bar across? See the selling bar to the left? No, no, don't move that one. Leave that one.
Okay.
And then draw a new
This one.
line. No, no, no. Draw a new line. See the first. Yeah, but see the selling bar to the left?
How far?
No, no, to the left, one bar. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you draw a line across the top of that selling bar?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So these are my lines. Yeah. So these are my lines. So that I saw that this was happening at 9 o'clock when I was waiting for you to sign me in. And then I took the buy because it was shortening of a downward thrust. It was a retest to the left, right? But then I didn't like it because it gave shortening of an upward thrust and I got out, right? So that was like 10 pips. Then the next one was a confirmation that it wasn't going any lower because I thought, oh, we're still negative, we're going lower. But this spring, the retest um, showed that the CM was actually buying into and supporting the support line, and I took the buy off of that.
Mm-hmm.
And then I had the so I saw the shortening of the upward thrust bars in the buying wave, but I got out at the resistance because it was I thought it was going to respect the resistance and it gave the up thrust, so I got out. But then when it retested again in the middle with more volume, I got back in again. So I was like ping ponging the market. But my question to you is that big green volume bar, that one really confused me to think that selling was still stronger. Can you go through it and
Yeah.
um
So let's go through the whole chart, right? And
yeah.
let's just do it so easier. So I'm coming from overall weakness, right? So when I come from overall weakness, how do I determine weakness? By the length of the selling bars in the market in general, right? So in other words, the waves as well as individually. So I want to be able to tell a story. The down bars are greater than the up bars. My lower highs and lower lows. I know that, right? So then I'm looking for some type of stopping action. Anytime I get a reaction from a low, I have to consider that as potential stopping action. Most likely not because the trend is down, but I always got to consider that. So I see nothing here. I'm not worried about this being accumulation because there's no buying. So I know I have to go lower to simulate buying. I get down here and I get this bar here. Well, it's a very benign bar, but okay, let's see what happens. The volume starts to pick up with it. There's activity. Why does that volume pick up? Because we're getting out of sell stops here, right? These cluster low sell stops. So people that try to buy this for a long position are getting out. Or the activity. See them buying it. The market conducts a rally. This rally is a little bit better than this rally, but not much. So I don't have any sign of strength, do I? Any demand bars. So we're going to retest. Boom. The retest doesn't give me supply. It gives me selling, but not supply. So supply is less. But it's got nothing to do with demand. Nothing to do with demand. But I got to keep that in mind. The market, the quality rally, the market just made a higher high. This is a very important bar. But that's an upside probe. That could be it could be an area to sell. It could be an area that the market may absorb. Considering the volume and the close, it tells me that most likely the bar is going to have some type of test. But it tells me there's activity at this level, isn't there? Okay, what activity? I don't know. But the market is at a point where the market shows me some selling there. So I want to see the test. Look how slow this is. Spring. Well, now I have a little buying that makes a higher high, a little buying. I have 3 little buying tails, but I don't have demand. But look what's happening now. I'm getting a little buying tail, a little buying tail. Buying is coming in. So the market's transitioning from selling on rallies to buying on breaks. But still no demand. Still no demand. The market then comes back down. It comes back down, another probe. The selling here is less than here. Here I went to here. Here I had a spring mid-range. Here I didn't have any spring till here. This now market means the market is more bullisher. I could buy this spring. Now, that's a little more advanced because it's not really the creek area, but I would buy this spring only because the market went down and retested halfway back in the range with buying in the background. Is it your gimme killer trade?
No. Sorry?
Okay. Between that way, yes. So the buying is borrowed a little bit here. This makes a new high. This is kind of weird because you want to see the quality of the reaction.
That's your change of character, right?
Change of character. Yeah, sorry, I just screwed this up. Yeah. Yes. So I'm sorry. So this I would not expect this, right? This gets obviously mid range. It's not too bad, but obviously breaks back down, and that's what you got because markets and trade range. It went to the next level. So yeah.
Okay, can you cut that and then email me that?
Right.
That's so good.
Right.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, so but sometimes you get caught. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it's situation wise. So that's it. So that's why.
Good, Joe. I did too.